and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. I am going to show you this kindness cards kit. Now, I got this for free during Celebration in February 2023. We're now in the middle of April and I've only just opened it. All I've done is take the cellophane off and have a quick wee look at what's inside, and I thought it was so cute that I would share it with you. So you get your instructions, and this kit makes 8 of these little coaster style cards. You get the envelopes to put them in that you can decorate as well, and there's a little tin that you can carry them in. So you also get a clear block. Now I have excuse me, quite a few of these because I love a Stampin' Up kit, really do love it. Great when you're a bit low on creativity because you can just follow the instructions. Inside the tin you've got these cute card bases. They are really thick, they're kind of like chipboard nearly, but they're so pretty. They've got shiny on them as well. Isn't that cute? So you get 8 of these. You get some stickers, you get these little labels that you can stamp, and I think this one is for decorating the tin, and then your envelopes. Okay, so those little cards you can decorate, stamp on them and pop them in there. Decorate your envelopes with those other little stickers, etc. I think the best bit of this, oh, there's more. There's more of those stickers. Labels. They're not stickers, are they? Well, they might be stickers actually. Oh, they are. Yeah. Labels. Lovely. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, I think the best bit is that you get a stamp set in this kit. Now, this kit costs £22 if you didn't get it for free. And these are sweet. What I'm going to do with those is I will stamp them, I will decorate the envelopes. I'm out for afternoon tea and lunch a couple of times in the next week or two, so I will use these to give some cash tips for people who have gone above and beyond. What I did do before I came on camera was to actually have a little play with the stamp set, because my eyesight's not that great and I couldn't really tell all of the detail from just looking at the stamps themselves. So I've stamped it in basic grey because you get a mini Stampin' Spot in basic grey. So it says, "No act of kindness is ever wasted. Kindness wins. You are so amazing." And again, no act of kindness ever wasted. You shine like the stars. Have a great day. Your smile makes the world a brighter place. You made my day. Kind people are my kind of people. Inspired by your kindness. Pass it on. Thanks and hello. I love the font of these. Aren't they so adorable? So I think I will probably use this stamp set a fair bit. But in the meantime, how about we just play with what we've got in the box? As I said, I'm not going to use the block that comes in the box because I've got plenty of those ones. That might end up being a little gift to a customer. So love this one. And again, I will probably gift that or save it to take away with me to a retreat or something like that, and just use my pad. Now, as I say, you get instructions and there's QR codes that you can use to get some stamping tips and to get detailed instructions for this particular kit, photo of everything that's in there, and step-by-step instructions. So we've got those stickers, and it says to stamp. I need my glasses. Really, it's quite small print. Dear me. So it says, kind people are my kind of people. Right, so let's first of all stamp that. Just ink that up. Make sure I've got that. In the centre, like that, and then I'm just going to get another block, it's easier. And that other sentiment, this one, yep. Kind people are my kind of people. Now, with photopolymer, you can quite easily bend it out of shape. I like to put it down and then pick it up, and then hopefully it's kind of relaxed into position. Now, excuse me while I try and put that in there without getting my head in shot. Close enough. Kind of people are my kind of people. I love that sentiment, really do. So that way up, I did do that, yeah. That way up. Let's just pop that along the centre there. Get one of the little envelopes, and you could stamp something else on the front of the envelope, and I'm going to go with inspired by your kindness. Take that one off. I will clean these later with my Simply Chamois. That out of the way. Oh, didn't get ink on that last S there, nearly. Inspired by your kindness. And obviously, if you've got your own ink pads, you can jazz up the ink on there. There's one. Just slide that in there, pop in some cash, and say those are for the to decorate the actual box, the tin, but you've got these other little stickers that you can use as well, like that. Isn't that a sweet idea? Really nice. Kind people are my kind of people. No act of kindness is ever wasted. They can keep that as a little token, and you can put a little tip in there, and once you've sealed it, you can put on one of these little stickers as well. Ready to go. I'm not going to press that down because I don't really want to right now, but it means that once you've made them, you can pop all your completed envelopes into the little tin. You could even stick your little stickers so that you've got them handy. Pop that into your handbag and you are ready to give some really, really nice tips for fabulous service. Love that. Right. I don't think I want to use that on my tin, because once I've used these envelopes, I think I might actually want to keep the tin for something else. I probably will use these for another card. I'm going to play around with the stamp set, and I will come back and show you some other ideas for using just the stamp set once you've finished using all of this kit. I continued with the instructions and have completed these. So I've decorated all of the envelopes. I misstamped that one, so that piece there is actually what was supposed to decorate the tin, but I decided I wasn't decorating the tin anyway. So you shine like the stars, have a great day, thanks on those ones. Those are the ones that we did. Kindness wins, you're so amazing. And your smile makes the world a brighter place. Pass it on to those. And inspired by your kindness, you made my day. 2 of those. So they all fit into that lovely little tin. And I've kept those so that I can put a little seal on the back of the envelopes should I wish to do so. So that's that done. Still had some of the stickers left over because I didn't decorate the box, so I used the large sticker that was supposed to be on the top of the box just on one of the basic white note cards and envelopes. Another little sticker on there, your smile makes the world a brighter place. So still nice and easy, just using note cards and envelopes. And then that inspired me to dig out my basic white 3" by 3" envelopes, because I thought once I've used these for tips it would be nice to have more. So I've just simply stamped on the front and a little bit on the back on these little envelopes. So again, I can put a tip in there, and that's another alternative to keep this going with little envelopes, because obviously they will fit nicely in there. The card does not. And honestly, you can tell that I've definitely used this stamp set now because it really is pretty. It's lovely. So I thought I would make just one card, and that stamp cuts out with a 2" circle punch perfectly. So all I've done is made a normal card base, covered the front of it with designer series paper, stamped with coordinating ink. This just so happens to be Pretty Peacock. Add a little bit of ribbon, pop that up with dimensionals, and add some little frosted dots on there. So any card base, cover it with designer series paper, stamp with a coordinating ink, add in some coordinating embellishments, and you've got a lovely card to thank someone for their kindness. And I've just stamped inside again, kind people are my kind of people. I will absolutely definitely still be using this stamp set. Just wanted to show what a cute little kit this is and how you can keep using it after you've made up all of the 8 little coaster cards that are in here, and then gifted those on. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.